Ampronix introduces the Scanmaxx 4KHD24SD, designed to meet the connectivity needs of the medical market. The Scanmaxx has the capacity to convert incoming HDMI signal SD, HD, and 4K configurations, which pair with the four 3G SDI connectors. Here, we'll show you how to connect the Scanmaxx 4K converter from a monitor to the Sony HVO-4000MT to record your still or streaming images. First, connect the power cables to the indicated spots on the back of both devices. Next, connect the HDMI video source cable to the indicated center location on the Scanmaxx. Then, plug in the four SDI connector cables from the monitor into the Sony 4K recorder. Finally, connect all four 3G SDI wires from the Sony 4K recorder to the Scanmaxx. The front of the Scanmaxx is equipped with a user-friendly illuminated display to signify the device's current picture. Scanmaxx is the premier auto-sync medical video converter to upscale images for 8 megapixel technology.